I am Momin Seema. I am from Latur, Maharashtra. I have completed my BE in 2019. After that, I can't get a good job. Because of that, I realized that I have to enhance my skill. Then I find out the platform where I enhance my skill. Then I find out the UniKaksha platform and take a admission in UniKaksha Tech Fit program. UniKaksha classes we can learn the things practically. UniKaksha mentors are very supportive. Especially I am thankful to Ashwini Malani ma'am. Ma'am is very supportive and explaining the things in very proper manner, and very easy manner that anyone can understand it easily. Platform provide the recorded classes, and some platform provided the live classes but not a practical base. UniKaksha is different from other platform. UniKaksha provide both live classes plus practical based classes. Because of that I choose the UniKaksha.